In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Dear fellows, today my topic is about the role of sincerity in faith and practice. In this context, I will share three narrations with you all. Number one, it is narrated from Umar bin al-Khattab in Sahih Bukhari and Sahih Muslim that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, actions are judged by intentions and everyone will get what was intended. So whoever's migration was for Allah and his messenger, then his migration will be for Allah and his messenger. But whoever's migration was for worldly gain or to marry a woman, then his migration will be for what he migrated to. Number two, it is narrated from Abu Musa radiallahu anhu in Sahih Bukhari and Sahih Muslim that a man came to the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, and asked, a man fights for war spoils, a man fights to show off, and a man fights for his pride. Which one of them is fighting in the way of Allah? The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, replied, the one who fights so that the word of Allah is supreme is the one who is fighting in the path of Allah. Number three, it is narrated from Abu Huraira radiallahu anhu in Sahih Muslim that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, indeed, Allah does not look at your appearance or your wealth, but He looks at your heart and at your deeds. Assalatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulullah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. Assalatu wassalamu alayka ya Nabi Allah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Nur Allah.